Anybody who's anybody in this business knows that Propstream is the #1 tool to find motivated seller leads, as well as getting the exact metrics that you need, pulling comps and other features for your real estate investing business. However, I got something else to share with you, something that will complement Propstream, that will allow you to really take your pulling of lists to a whole different level. It's a new list source. Now, I'm not telling you that you should stop using Propstream. As a matter of fact, we use Propstream and this list source together in conjunction, and we've been able to close a boatload of deals in the last 3 months. What is this list source? It's bad credit list. That's right. It's a list source that will allow you to pull people who own real estate with bad credit. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to give each and every one of you who continue to watch this video and leave a comment my actual motivated seller Propstream cheat codes and hacks. You're going to get a copy of this just by leaving a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Okay, the website that we're using to pull the bad credit list is called List Shack Pro. As you can see, this is the website right here. And let's go to the pricing table and you'll see exactly why this list is so powerful on this platform. You're able to pull up to 50,000 leads per month for a cost of $50. Now, that's good. What makes this offer so great, what makes this opportunity so great, is the fact that when you pull the list, it actually comes with telephone number. You heard me right. The list comes with the telephone number of the actual person who owns the property. Now, let me show you exactly what it's looking for. You click on the members login area after you've signed up. Once you've logged in, the next thing you're going to do is choose consumer leads. Now you're at the actual screen that allows you to do all your searches and filters of the actual list that you want to pull. On the left-hand side, you have your navigation bar. In the middle, you have your filtering. And on the right, you actually have your search count. So let's go ahead and choose the city that we want to use. For this one, we're going to use my hometown, Baltimore, Maryland. Click on Pick Filters. And you get to this next section called Basic Filters. Now, by default, DNC scrub listings come up. So what does this mean? This means that all the results you pulled would have been counted against the DNC list. So you don't have to worry about going against the DNC list and calling people who are on that list if you use this selection. You could also break it down by way of all records with phones not scrubbed or all records without phones. We're going to choose the DNC scrubbed cell phone selection here. We're going to choose only cell phones. Now, the reason why I'm choosing only cell phones, because I already have a plan of how we're going to execute this through one of the tools that we're going to use. Next, you can use unique phone records only. That's what I usually put in this actual selection. And the reason why I do that is because this way it will give me multiple properties if the person owns multiple properties and so on with the same phone number or a different phone number. Now, one record per mailing address. I leave that blank because I want as many properties as I possibly can get. Number 2, we can go to basic demographics. You can choose an actual age of the person you want to pull. In this situation, I like to choose the age of 30 to 99. You can also choose by birth month. We leave that blank. Estimated income range, I'm going to leave that blank. In the homeowner status, I'm going to choose homeowner. Marital status, I'm going to leave that blank. Gender, I'm going to say no preference. Now, so far, we have a total of 26,428 records. So let's continue down to the advanced filter section. In the advanced filter section, you can really drill down. Right here it says estimated property value. I know that the property value that I'm looking for in my area based on medium value is going to be between $25,000 as high as $400,000. Now, property type, single family or multifamily. You can leave this actually by select one, or you can select both because you want both types of property. So we're going to leave this as selecting both of them. I want both single family and multifamily. Year built, I'm going to leave that blank. Purchase month range, I'm going to leave that blank. Purchase year, I'm going to leave that blank. Now, all this is other information you can add, but we're going to leave all of it blank. Pool, blank. Fuel, blank. You can even search by mortgage information. Let's say you want to go with a mortgage or not a mortgage. In this situation, we want properties that doesn't have a mortgage, but you can also do properties that do have a mortgage. And the reason behind it, it's a great strategy if you put properties that do have a mortgage by taking over properties subject to owner structured finance, wraparound, all-inclusive trust deeds, and so on. So in this situation, we're going to say no, because we want properties that don't have a mortgage, that have a lot of equity. The mortgage type, you can search by conventional, community, FHA, private, lender, and so on. We're going to leave this blank as well. Interest rate, I'm going to leave that blank. Net worth, I can actually include how much I want that owner to be worth in regards to the actual results I'm getting. I'm going to leave that blank. Credit rating, this is where you can break it down by bad credit. Now, you can choose people to have a bad credit score of under 499 and just make it as under 499. Let's continue to go down. Demographics English, I'm going to leave this blank. Religious, I'm going to leave blank. On your right-hand side is all the actual details that you have put into your left-hand side. So you'll see the fact of what city you chose. You'll see the phone scrubbing status. You'll see the phones per household, cell phones, ages, and so on and so on. So this is where you basically go to the next step. And on the next step, it's going to start pulling up and allow you to preview the records that come up. And as you can see, these are the actual individuals that have all of these criterias. And your final count, based on the score, is 223 results of people that have bad credit that is basically in this actual age range, in our actual city that we're looking for, that has a credit score 499 or less. Now, what do you do next? All you have to do is check out, and you're able to download that list. Click on checkout. I'm able to give that list the name. I'm able to tell how many leads would I like. I would put in the exact full number. And I'm even able to choose what information I would like with the actual download. And then I click download. Once you do that, you have your actual list of bad credit individuals that's in your city. Here's the beautiful part. Once you pull that list, now you would just upload it inside of Propstream, do a list stack of that actual list, and see what addresses, which names, owners fall on multiple lists. Now you have a highly targeted person. Remember, I like to go at least 4 to 5 levels deep when it comes to targeting. And that way, when you get that individual on the phone, you know you got a deal that you're going to make money in. Don't forget, if you want to get your hands on my Propstream best motivated seller lists and hacks and cheat codes, it has over 13, 14, 15, 16 different lists that you can pull in Propstream that we use for motivated sellers. I'm going to give this to you free of charge. All you have to do is leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of this video. This is Charles Blair, the Mad Scientist, and I'll see you in the next video.